Today on the Roadhouse, we are doing a Smittybilt side step that connects to the hinges in your JK, JKU, JL. Let's get this video started. Today on the Roadhouse, we are sponsored by JS Off-Road. JS Off-Road does passenger cars, trucks, Jeeps, buggies, UTVs, ATVs, small engine work, warranty work, insurance work, inspections, upgrades, recovery, installs, repair. They do LS swaps, which are working on mine, custom builds, upgrades on most vehicles, engine and transmission rebuilds, axles, lift kits, roll cages, tires, wheels, audio, lighting, gears, and lockers. You can reach them at www.jsoffroadaddict.com, or you can get them at their phone numbers, 417-630-9051. Okay, today we're at the JS Off-Road shop, and we're going to put on these Atlas steps that go in between your door hinges here. Let's get this video started. Now what you're going to need today is a T45 Torx bit, whatever you got as far as drill to get it out, or a ratchet, or whatever you want to do. The reason why I'm not going to tape this off like the directions say is because I have this covered in Raptor, and I'll be able to tell exactly where it is missing and where to line it up according to where the Raptor is not. So it came with extra hardware that's just a tad bit longer, so I'm going to go ahead and get this thing on. Well, you made it in that video. I went ahead and put some anti-seize on this thing, so you don't have issues with them later on. Now, when you go to these new bolts, they are a T40 instead of a T45. The mushroom cap that looks like these, then you put the rubber on there, then you put your bolt through with the washer. That's how it goes on. These are a nice looking setup. The sharp part will not go back and hit the Jeep, so it won't scratch your paint. Easy to put on. I'd say probably a 2 out of 5, just because you're dealing with the hinge here. And other than that, that's it. So I'm going to do this one really fast. This one is a T45 to take off the original bolts. Now you want to put tape around this to show exactly where this hinge is, so you can put it back right where it's at. I've got mine Raptor line, so it's going to show the exact spot where it's at anyway. So Here's the original bolts for the door hinges, and they did have rust inside the threads. So some of them were worse than these. So just so you know that it might be a really good idea to put some of that anti-seize in there. There she blows. Looks really good. Do the other side, and we're in business. Now, I will say this. If you're going to climb up these suckers, you're going to need to take a step up on the tire, and then take a step up on this. Otherwise, these things, depending on how tall your Jeep is extremely hard to get to. That is probably abdominals high as far as I'm 6 foot, so not only does JS Off-Road sponsor the Road Hard Roadhouse, they also t-shirt sponsor us. If you have any questions about these Atlas by Smittybilt steps, let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Here's your Jeep, Matt.